If you're ready to master your manifesting game, you are in the right place. I'm Jeannette Maw, the Good Vibe Coach, and I've been supporting conscious creators full-time for a living for about 20 years. That means I've been doing this before The Secret, before Ask and It Is Given, before What the Bleep. I've been at this game a while. And that's how I know that whatever you dream of having, being, or doing, whether it's more money, better health, more rewarding relationships, or just more freedom, fun, and enjoyment in life, whatever you want, it's within your power to create that. I support conscious creators in a variety of ways, including with manifesting exercises, alignment techniques, helpful vibration management practices, and by reminding us all to practice the principles we're studying. That's what this channel is for too, offering ideas, inspirations, and success stories, maybe an occasional cautionary tale, often drawn from my own life, and lots of reminders and encouragement that this stuff works, that you can work it too, and that life gets really magical when you practice these principles. If you're already a student of conscious creation, you'll recognize the teachings of Abraham Neville, Flossie, and some Bashar in what I share. But I don't just study this stuff, I live it, and I'd love to help you do the same. Thanks for letting me into your world to support your best manifesting success. Here's to all your favorite dreams come true.